The minimal, not the minimal, minimal is different from minimum. The minimum decimal equivalent value, the minimum decimal equivalent value of 21C base x is the minimum decimal equivalent value of 21C base x is. So here what they are trying to ask, they are given some kind of number system, the value with the some number system, and they are asking that you have to give certain solution in the form of decimal number in such a way that the generated number should be maximum smallest value, maximum smallest value, right? So how we are going to get the maximum smallest value here? First, how we are going to convert this number system to this number system, right? Try to make it some kind of relation, right? So you have to find out the value of x first. X is unknown. X, what is the value of x possible here? 13. X possible value is 13. So x value can be 13, 14, 15, or it can be anything. It can be anything, right? So if I am going to put 13, if I am going to put 13, what is the value you are going to get? 21C base 13 should be converted to decimal number. 13, so 2 into 13 square plus 1 into 13 power 1 plus 12, right? So what is the value you are going to get? 363, right? So 363 base 10, 363 base 10, right? So as you are trying to take the next number system like 14, what value it will get? It will increase the value, right? It will get the more than this value, right? So meaning that the minimum value is 13 you have to consider. So your answer will be 363 base 10. Why I am saying to say that 363 base 10? If you are going to take the less than 13 value, it is going to violate this principle. So the answer will be again 363 base 10. Okay. Okay. So okay. So for example, the question is like this: the minimum number of digits are required. The minimum number of digits are required. Digits are to represent required to represent 32 digit base 10, 32 digit base 10 in binary system. In binary system, right? So the previous question is extended. In the previous question, what are these 32 digit also they have given. I hope you understood, right? In the previous question, 6728 base 10 should be represented in binary system. They have asked, and what are the minimum digits are required. Now they mentioned, they didn't mention the 32 digit number. They mentioned, sorry, they didn't mention the actual number. They mentioned only 32 digit number. 32 digit number, right? So if I am having a number, like try to understand the question. So 32 digit number with base 10 means what is the maximum number it is possible? All 32 nines with base 10. If you are going to convert it into binary number, how many bits are required here? That is the question. So think about it. You know, with n digit, we already calculated. With n digit number, with n digit number, with some radix x, what is the maximum number possible? X power n minus 1. X power n minus 1, right? So here if you are able to observe, I am trying to say that this is a k digit number. This is a k digit number, and which is our which number system? Some base 10, some base 10, right? With this, can I able to get some maximum number or not? What is that maximum number again? This is only 32 nines with base 10, right? And this should be converted into binary number system, right? So meaning that if I am going to have a k digit number with some base system is b, base system is b, and they are trying to ask in the base system x for n digit, for n digit, right? I hope you know those two formulas are same, but the destination number is what? Destination number should be greater than the actual given number, because this is a decimal digit, right? So 32 digit number, if you are going to convert into binary number, obviously binary number is far larger than the decimal number. So what you can do now, you can simply define, so this should be like n power x minus 1 should be greater than or equal to, what is the formula? N means what? K. I think we mentioned, what is the formula, amma? X power n minus 1, right? X power n minus 1 should be greater than or equal to, x means what? B. B to the power of k minus 1. I am trying to get the maximum number. That's why x power n minus 1 should be greater than. And if you are able to calculate, n should be greater than or equal to, n should be greater than or equal to k log b to the base x, right? Try to substitute the values, you can able to get the answer. What is the k value here? 10. K value is 10. Sorry, I'm getting confused. Okay, k value is 32, log b value is what? 10, x value is 2, right? Try to solve this one. 32 into log 10 base 2. You can use the calculator. So I think 2 cube is not sufficient and 2 power 4 is required. It should be around 3.2. Any exact value? 32 into 3 point, I am observing as 2. 2, okay? 3.2, okay, right? So then you can able to calculate like, what is the value? 107. 106 point something. So you have to make again, points are not supported. So the value of n should be greater than or equal to 106 floor. That means n should be greater than or equal to 107. So meaning that here you should have to have compulsory 107 bits in order to convert a 32 digit number into the respective binary number system.